Have you ever stood in your kitchen staring at a row of cooking oils and wondered, am I making the right choice for my heart? If you're a senior, every meal is an opportunity to care for your heart and your future. Today, I'm here to guide you through the 5 cooking oils you should absolutely avoid, and 5 you can trust every single day to keep your heart humming along. Let's start with the ones to leave behind. I know some of these might be familiar staples, but it's time for a change. First up, vegetable shortening. It's often packed with trans fats, those sneaky substances that raise your bad cholesterol and put your heart at risk. Next, margarine, especially the stick kind, loaded with harmful fats that can quietly damage your arteries. Third, palm oil. It seems harmless, but it's high in saturated fats that can stiffen your blood vessels over time. Fourth, soybean oil. This one's tricky. It's in so many processed foods, but its inflammatory properties can add up if you're not careful. And finally, corn oil. Like soybean oil, it's high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can tip your body's balance away from heart health. But don't worry, there's good news. There are wonderful oils you can use every day to nourish your heart. The first, extra virgin olive oil. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, it's like a gentle hug for your arteries. Second, avocado oil. It's smooth, mild, and packed with monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol. Third, canola oil. It has a neutral flavor and a balance of healthy fats, perfect for everyday cooking. Fourth, walnut oil. A little goes a long way, and it's brimming with omega-3s that can soothe inflammation. And finally, flaxseed oil. While best for cold dishes, it's a natural source of heart-loving nutrients. Remember, it's never too late to make a difference. Every meal is a new chance to support your heart and your life. Imagine, just by swapping a bottle on your shelf, you could be giving yourself a healthier tomorrow. So, which oils do you use at home? Did any of these surprise you? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one, and your stories matter. If you found this helpful, share it with someone you love, because it's the little choices each day that add up to a lifetime of heart health. Thanks for being here with me. Take care of your heart. It's taken care of you for so long.